Yo, what's good? Got a quick weekly recap. Took a lot losing week this week. Only down 0.5. Did this freeze? No, okay, chill. But yeah, down 0.5. Took a losing week. Took one trade and then that trade ended up being a loss. Only down 0.5 though. I de-risked on this trade because it was Friday and it was the day after the bank holiday. So yeah, I'm just gonna go over what I did well, what I did wrong, and just go over the trade overall. So this week, yeah, like I said, one trade, one loss, 0 wins, 0 losses. Total loss has 0.53 and we're just down minus 0.5. So this week was mainly just me sitting out. Monday didn't trade, Tuesday didn't trade, Wednesday didn't trade, Thursday was a bank holiday, and then Friday was the day I traded. So this was the last day of the week out of 3 pairs. So it was a lot of sitting out, not really seeing anything, not really like seeing anything exciting. And I feel like that kind of ended up getting to me because I didn't trade, and then there was also this one opportunity that I kind of missed out. Like it ended up playing out in my favor, but it's just like it didn't play out the way I wanted it to play out. So I kind of missed it, if you will. But it's like because of my rules. So technically I didn't miss it. Like it's not a bad thing that I missed it. Like I was following my rules, but it's like seeing price go all the way up and hit your take profit and you weren't in it, it kind of probably got to my mind, and it kind of made me feel like I wasn't doing enough, and I felt like I needed to do something. And maybe even though I know those things are wrong, I feel like it was building up in the back of my mind and I was trying to resolve it, but I think it just built up, and then it caused me to try finding reasons to take a trade on Friday. And the trade I took on Friday was a good trade. It was a high quality setup. It's a setup that I usually take. I think I just got unfortunate, but honestly I could have maybe prevented it if I was just reasoning with myself that I didn't need to trade, that I didn't need to take anything. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm saying, you know. What else did I say? Yeah, I feel like I wasn't really doing enough, but also because it was the day after the bank holiday, maybe I should have sat out, but I feel like it's not really that bad. If we have a bank holiday on Monday, it's chill usually chill to trade on Tuesday, but maybe because it was in the middle of the week, maybe because it was USD, maybe I should have just sat out, maybe I should have just not tried taking anything, because it's just one day in between the holiday and the weekend, so just is there anything really bound to happen? Is there anything really meant to happen? So maybe that's something I could think about. And the main important thing, honestly, more important than the other stuff, is just I gotta make sure that I don't get into a mindset of yo, I need to make this shit back, yo, I need to make this stuff back, because bro, I can't focus on my account balance, bro, because I always get to plus 6.5% or plus 7%, and then I start falling back down. So I gotta make sure I don't try to take anything, I can't let it get to my head that I'm the highest I've been on my funded, it's never that serious, it's never that deep, bro. It's just a percentage, it's just numbers, bro. So just gotta keep a neutral mind, do what I know works, and just chill on trying to make stuff back, because in reality, in the grand scale of things, bro, it's not even that deep, bro. It's just a number on the screen, right? So don't get too attached to that percentage. Even if I lose the next trade, just on to the next, bro. It's literally just patience, bro. Bro, looking at these ones, these were all after loss after loss. Some of them were good, but some of them were also bad, and those bad trades came from me not being able to control my emotions fully. But this is what it should look like, bro. I should be taking way less trades because the trade frequency here is much higher than here. And then when we had hit a win-win loss, win-win loss. So honestly, I should be more confident in myself. Another point in time where I was doing, okay, this was just straight wins. I don't know how I was doing it. Actually, no, I know how I was doing it. I was just following my plan way fully. But this is the type of streaks I should be on. I shouldn't be trying to take multiple losses in a row. Losses will happen in a row, but most of those losses are preventable if I just follow my plan fully, which I learned about in here. Wake up on time, stuff like that. Zero expectations. Those are kind of the basics of those some time ago. But keep on learning, keep on working, and it'll become second nature to control my emotions. I feel like I have pretty decent emotional control now. It's just a matter of sticking to it's just the build up, you know what I'm saying? After you don't take anything for quite a bit, maybe it gets to your head a little bit, maybe it causes you to lash out. Not lash out, but I'm just saying in the back of your mind it'll start building up and it'll start clouding your judgment and just take you away from being objective. So that was the main thing for this week, or just in general. Good lessons, bro. Yo, you know what I think about, bro? It's once I become I have a video of every single day me voicing out my thoughts about trading. So this could be you could just watch the come up type shit. Anyways, So let me find the trade screenshot. So here's the trade. Quickly explaining, because I already have the video, the trade recap of me explaining it. But GBP/USD was bearish on the 4-hour. EUR/USD was also bearish. EUR/USD and then DXY was bullish on the 4-hour. So DXY ended up taking out the corresponding low, which was this red line here. That's a 1-hour high on GBP/USD, a 1-hour low on DXY. So DXY ended up taking this out. GBP/USD did not. So I use that as a bearish SMT because they both confirmed bearish. They both confirmed in their trend at the time. So that's like when I considered it. Then boom, we have an inverse for value gap on the 5-minute, and then I look for a retracement for a better risk reward. Get into 5-minute equilibrium, break your structure on the 1-minute. And inverse for value gap on the 1-minute, enter short off of that, get filled in right here. Large bullish candle puts me in like 70% drawdown just within seconds of entering the trade. Boom, stopped out in the end, and then on to the next, bro. Like it's just stopped out, bro. Bro, like I feel like I'm getting pretty big, bro. Like not big, but it's like I don't want to get big. You know, like Samuel Anua. I kind of want to get in that build, like later down in the line. Like I kind of like being like lean right now. I mean, Samuel Noah is pretty lean right now, but it's like I want to like, I kind of like just being like kind of like skinny lean, but like I'm not skinny. I don't think I'm skinny, but I don't think I'm jacked. I think I'm in the middle, and I kind of like being in the middle, especially because I'm like pretty tall. So it's like if I look too chunky, I'm gonna just look like a block of mass. But anyways, what I was saying is like this is the trade, got stopped out. TP was at the London low. I only just 0.5 again because of the bank holiday the previous day, so I only just 0.5, and that's kind of why I have my TP way like farther. It's like a 1.6, 1.5. Usually I aim for a 1.25 at TP1, but instead I put 1.5 because of the 0.5 trade, and I was planning to just go break even at the 1R or 1.5. I mean 1.25R. That's kind of my management plan. Just took 0.5 kind of thing like that. But yeah, I was gonna just close in the entire trade out here, but you know, I ended up getting stopped out. What were some emotions I felt? I felt kind of like angry, you know. I felt angry. I was like, bro, why the fuck did price move all the way up in just like seconds, bro? Like, why did that happen? Why did that happen to happen right after I entered? You know, I was seeing price like freaking like jerk a little bit like during that, like when I was about to enter, but I didn't think it was that big of a deal. And then when I entered, boom, it just goes up. It's just freaking up my, it just went up, bro. And it just kind of made me like, yo, why the fuck is this happening? Like I didn't take it too deeply because again, I'm getting better at not being too attached to the trade, and also it was 0.5, so I didn't really care that much. But it was just annoying, bro. You know, it's like, bro, why that have to happen? Like out of all things that could have happened, why do you have to, like, even if it was just a slow thing, bro? But it was like, nah, it just jumped, bro. It's like, psych, your trade was you're getting stopped out. You're getting stopped out, bro. Like, it's just how it is, bro. That's just how it is. On to the next. Gonna have to do that next. I'll see you tomorrow if I take a trade. I'll still do a market recap probably, but honestly I feel like these market recaps are just like kind of pointless now. But you know, it's just a video, post a video every day, and eventually I'll blow up. I appreciate everyone who's watching my videos. It means a lot. Subscribe. That also makes me feel good. I'm going on, I can't lie, I'm going on TikTok, bro. Like I really, makes me feel good, bro. So make sure to follow my TikTok. It's the same thing. Getting close to 600. I just reached 500 like last week, and we're almost at 600. So the growth is definitely faster now, and ideally I want that to happen with YouTube as well. A lot of my videos have been getting quite a bit of views. Bro, I made this one video on like relationships, and I thought I was gonna do tough, but it didn't end up. You know what ended up going better, bro? It's just a random recap that I put zero effort into. Like the thing, like, I mean, I put effort into it. I definitely put effort into it. It's just like I put way more effort into the editing of the like relationships video, and I just thought that would do better, and just kind of made me a bit annoyed. But you know, you never can predict people, bro. Like type shit. Like you can't predict the market. You can't predict the people. You can't predict anything. You know, it's just all up to the higher power type shit. But I don't even know. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Where the